In this video, I will show you how to schedule a meeting in Google Meet. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you want to do is come across to meet.google.com, which is going to take you to the Google Meet website. From here, you're going to see a blue button which says New Meeting. Give that a click and then you're going to see some options come up. So as you can see on these options, you've got an option to schedule in Google Calendar. Give that a click, and what that's going to do is open a new window with your Google Calendar. What you can now do is add some details about the meet, so you can give it a title. So I'm going to call this one Example Meet. And then what you can do is choose the date, the times, how long it's going to last, things like that. And you can add additional details, for example, location. You can choose to receive a notification before the meeting, for example, 30 minutes before, or you can just choose if you want to. And you can also add a description of the meeting. Now, once that's done, what you can do is add guests as well. So if you come over to the right hand side, what you can do is click onto the add guest box and then type an email for the guests that you want to invite. Now once that's all done, what you can do is click the blue save button at the top, and once you've done that, if you come back to Google Meet, you'll see we've now got our scheduled meeting down here. So that is how to schedule a meeting in Google Meet. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.